Hi guys, today we shall discuss about the basics of organic chemistry. Let us start our session with the introduction to the subject. So, in the beginning, I would like to mention about the definition. It is a study of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. In other words, it is a study of reactions and the reagents. The chief element in organic chemistry is carbon. The reason for formation of 10 to the power of 9 million compounds by carbon atom is due to its unique nature. It has small size, it has high electronegativity, lacks d orbitals, has only 2 electrons in the inner shell, catenation, tetravalency, hybridization, covalent bond consisting of sigma and pi bond. And so on. So these are the anomalous properties of carbon by means of which it is able to form large number of compounds. Now let us discuss the tetravalency of carbon and its reasons. Tetravalency or quadrivalency of carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So this is 2s2 configuration, this is 2p2 configuration. So it is ground state In the ground state, it has a valency of 2. If it forms 2 bonds, the bond energy which is going to be calculated may be, if you take 80 kilocalories per bond, you will get 160 kilocalories. If it forms 2 bonds, it is ground state. So now on excitation, there are 4 unpaired electrons. Unpaired electrons 4. Here unpaired electrons 2. 4 unpaired electrons. This is the excited state. Valency is 4 here. Valence is 4. If you calculate the bond energy, 4 into 80 is equal to 320 kilocalories. And the difference is 320 minus 160 is equal to 160 kilocalories. Now additionally, carbon is able to release 160 kilocalories of energy. But for the excitation, energy required is 100 kilocalories. Hence, 160 minus 100 equal to 60 kilocalories. Additionally, carbon is able to release 60 kilocalories of energy. Therefore, when compared to 2 bonds and 4 bonds, when it forms 4 bonds, additionally it is able to release 60 kilocalories of energy. The basic concept of chemical bond, whether it is any branch of chemistry, higher the release of energy, more is the stability of the bond. Therefore, carbon is stable in the quadrivalent state. So here the conclusion is, the energy released when the two additional bonds are formed is more than the energy required for the excitation of electrons. Therefore, carbon is stable in quadrivalent state. So, this is about the tetravalency or quadrivalency of carbon. So, by means of which carbon is able to form so many number of compounds. Thank you.